So here's what I use in order to put in something like an eyelet into a typewriter ribbon. What I need is a wire cutter, and these, I don't know what they are called in English, but you might have seen them before. They're for well, basically putting together pieces of paper, right? You would have a hole where you put in this longer part, and then you would simply bend them over and it would hold paper together like this. So the idea is to put a little slot into the typewriter ribbon, and then put this in, bend it, and you have your eyelet. But of course, this is way too long, right? So this would interfere with the mechanics of the typewriter. So in order to use this, you have to cut those. And before that, I usually open them once at least to make it a little bit easier, and then put them back together, and then simply cut them, and you don't need a whole lot. So this is about the length that you should go for, and you just cut them, and this is what you get. Wait. Okay, first of all, I take some ribbon from the right side, and now I make a slot in the middle. There you go. And I take this from behind and put it through the slot. Okay, this is just complicated because I'm doing it with a camera in front of my face, okay? So there you go. And now I just bend those over, and that's it. That's the whole thing. Now I can put this in front of, and let's see what it does. Works perfectly. Now you want to put the eyelet on this side, right? Because that way, when this gets wind up, no sharp edges will cut into the ribbon on this side, right? It's better to have the round, flat head of that thing towards the ribbon which you want to use, and not the slightly sharp edges of these ones. Okay, that's it.